Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve the Leetcode problem number 242, valid anagram. So the problem is asking given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So first of all, we need to understand what is an anagram. Anagram is a word or phrase formed by arranging the letters of a different using all the original letters exactly once. In simple words, anagram is a word. Let's take an example of this one. Can you see my screen? Yeah, you can. This is C-A-T, cat. Okay. T-C-A. So these two words are anagram of each other. Why? Because the number of alphabets, sorry, letters are same. They all contain the same kind of letters. This one is also CTA and this one is also CAT. Okay, the difference between the two strings is just that they are rearranged. Okay, the pattern is different, otherwise both these strings are same. D O C K doc, D U K C A, ADUKC. This one and the top one, they are not similar. They are not anagrams of each other because the letters are different. Here is A and the first string doesn't have an A. There is U, first doesn't have any U. So the letters are different and the length is also different. So they both are not anagrams of each other. For two letters, for the two words to be called as an anagram, there's just one thing we need to remember. The letters should be same and the length should be same. If the length is not same, return false because they are not anagrams of each other. Okay, and just the difference is that the letters are rearranged, same but rearranged. So that means they are anagrams of each other. Okay, I hope you got my point in here. Okay, now anagram and string T, Nagram. The length is same, letters are all the same, just they are rearranged. S is rearranged into T. So here the output is true, they are anagram. Here S is equals to RET, right? T is equals to CAR, car. Red, RET, length is same, done, but the letters are not same. Here it's RET, but string 2 doesn't contain T, it contains C. So the letters are different, that means they are not anagrams of each other. So we return false. So first of all, the approach we would use is we'll be making a hash map. Hash map will store the number, the letter with the count. It will store the count of every letter of the string. I will be creating a hash map. Let's say a c uh, what's the word? I'm saying c a r car, and another is rac. Okay, these are two strings. This is string s. Sorry for my handwriting, it's not good. Okay, this is string t. Okay, these are two strings. I'll be creating a hash map, and I will store the count of every letter. I will iterate over this one, this string, and this string. Okay. S is equals to, this will be the hash map of S. C colon 1. The count of C is 1. The count of A is 1. Count of R is 1. Hash map of S completed. Okay. Now let's create the hash map of T. Count of R 1, A 1, C 1. So can we say that both these hash maps, hash T and hash S, are equal? Yes, we can. Because the count is same, the items in the dictionary is same. Dictionary, by dictionary I mean hash map, because we are using Python and this is a dictionary. Okay, so the count is same of every item. The items are same, that means they are equal to each other. If I just write just testing. Okay, hash map hash a is equals to a colon 1, b colon 2. Okay, g colon 2. Let's create a hash b. This is not the solution, I'm just giving you an example, okay, to make you understand that when it will return true. A colon 1, g colon 2, b colon 2. Return hash a equal to hash b. If I run this, okay, sorry guys for making the video long. I'm not writing return, I'll just write print. Okay, this should return true. Yeah, std out, I'm getting true. Okay, whatever we write inside print, it will be shown in the std out. Okay, yeah, it is true. If I just make this 3, then run it again. I did get false now. Okay, false. Why? Because sequence doesn't matter in hash maps. Okay, sequence doesn't matter. This just checks the items should be same and the value of every item should be same. So if they are, then it just returns true. So here we can easily use hash maps. Okay, let's go on with the solution. The video is getting long, sorry guys. 10 minutes. Just the first of all, what is the condition of anagram? That length should be equal. If length s equals to length t, I'll write not equals to return. Okay, return false. Okay, this is the first condition of not being an anagram. If the length is same, then let's do the hash map. Hash of a, hash of s, hash of t. Okay, there are two hash. Wait a second. Guys, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so we have created two hash maps of s and t. Let's run a loop on both of them. The length of, we don't need to loop on s and t both, okay? Because the length, if this condition passed, that means the length of both the strings are same. So we can just run one loop and we are good to go because the length is same. So for I in range length, we can pick length of anyone. Okay, s, let's pick the length of s. So I'll be writing a condition here. The condition will be, sorry, not the condition, I'll just write directly hash s is equals to 1 plus hash s dot get, and what it will get, the current element, which is s I, and if that is not available, if si not available, comma 0, give 0. So same goes for hash t, 1 plus hash t dot get t index number, get the t of the current index number, and 0. So simply what I'm doing here is that I'm adding, I am saying that get this from the hash set initially my hash stat is empty. So what it will give me, this will be empty, right? So it won't give me an error because this is a get function of the hash map. So I've entered 0 here, that if you cannot get this, then just return 0. So it will be returning 0. And on the new hash, I'm also writing here hash s hash t s I and T I also. So by doing this, I'm saying that add this letter, and next to that add the number, add the count of that letter and the count of that. If not found, give me 0. If not found, give me 0, and add 1 in this. Because if not found, then that means that element is new, right? So what if that element is new, so it came first time, so what will it will do? 1 plus 0, it will return 0 because it didn't found. So 1 and plus 0, it will be 1 1. Okay, this is how we are doing it. Otherwise, now I'm gonna return, after the loop execution, I'm gonna return if they both are same, that both same thing which we did above, below, before. Hash s hash s equals to hash t. Simple. Okay, done. Submit. Okay, solution accepted. That if the both the hash maps are equal, return true, otherwise return false. Got it? So I hope you guys understood this question. Do solve it on your own. Solve it if you can. If you think this question was hard, don't worry. Do it. There's a code. I read it. Do it 10,000 times if you think this is harder. Sorry, do it 10,000 times before calling it hard. Okay. So if you didn't understood first time, do it second time, do it third time, do it fourth time, do it fifth time. Okay. So the video got so long. Sorry guys for so long video. So I just want you all to make this concept understand. Okay. Thank you. Bye.